From innovation hubs in China to the hands of customers across Bangladesh, this is the journey of Theyura. At carefully selected, certified factories in China, every product begins with precision. Advanced formulations, strict quality protocols, and modern production lines ensure each skincare item meets international standards. Before leaving the factory, products undergo multiple inspections, checking safety, consistency, and performance. Only the finest batches are approved for export. Then, the journey continues. Through controlled logistics and secure shipping, Theyura transports these beauty essentials across borders, maintaining product integrity every step of the way. Once in Bangladesh, each item is rechecked and stored under proper conditions. From warehouse to doorstep, Theyura ensures fast, reliable delivery to customers nationwide. But it's more than just supply, it's a commitment to authenticity, quality, and trust. Theyura doesn't just deliver beauty products, they deliver confidence, sealed, tested,